Hi everyone,
Welcome to Burkeshire Farms,
my name's Frank.
and I'm Jackie. This weekend we are out here camping for the first time. This is my first time that's going to be sleeping out here on the farm.
You all know it's not my first time. In fact, I was out here for 2 nights, got to go home and stay 1 night at home and back out again tonight. But that's okay because it's really not hard at all.
I'm so excited because Frank told me all about the wonderful mornings and how beautiful it is in the morning and how dark it gets at nighttime. So I'm really excited about seeing how that's going to be and listening to the bugs and the animals and whatnot. Not including our animals. I don't think you can see them through the screen, but we have our three little puppy babies back there too. They're here with us, and we're going to spend the weekend out here.
We're going to do a little cookout maybe later?
Yes, I think we should have you join Frank barbecuing the steak.
There we go. All right. Thank you for clicking on our channel. The way this is a small branch saw, I love this thing for small branches. Definitely not my favorite end of this trailer. You know, I'll be honest, this is the first travel trailer I've ever had as an adult. My parents had them. I'd never had a travel trailer. Never had a need for one, really. And I've gone online, I've gone on YouTube. I'm trying to learn as much as I can about this thing as quickly as I can. I know that this is the dark tank. And the weird thing about it is when we bought it, it had, I want to say, three quarters of full tank in the black tank. And I even said something to the guy, and he said, no, that's the way it's supposed to be. You don't ever want to, let it go down. You always, if it's going to set, you want to keep at least 3/4 of a tank of black tank. And I didn't believe him, but I looked it up, and sure enough, it even said it in the manual that if it's going to set for a while, to be sure to have at least 3/4 of a tank. So anyways, I came out here with a fantastic idea where we're set up here, and the septic that we've got is clear back over there. I was going to take 5-gallon bucket and just go like 2 gallons at a time and clean out some of this tank. And I expected it to come out blue or orange or something that wasn't too bad, and that's not the case. It's disgusting. And the other problem is I can only get about 6 gallons of it. It's supposed to be, I think, about a 30 or 32 gallon black tank. I've pulled about 6 gallons out of it, and there's nothing more coming. And I'm afraid that what we've got is we've got a black tank that has been setting for a long time and has gotten hard. And I'm sure there's some kind of a chemical you can put down in there or something, I don't know. I got these orange tablets that say that it makes it smell fresh for 7 days straight. It's supposed to help break it down. Well, We'll see what that looks like in the morning, but bottom line is I'm only able to get about 6 gallons of black water out of here, and it's about a 30 some odd gallon tank. So if there's anybody out there that knows what's going on or may have some kind of an idea and could let me know, please shoot me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. That is just nasty. It's not even coming out orange.
Well, because the orange is probably on the top.
It's on the top, huh? You think?
I think so.
Yeah, it's coming out a little bit better, but it ain't great. No, that's it. Maybe I can get a new fire starter for Christmas. This one's just about had it. You know what I've heard is really good for gardens? Yep.
I'm going to take the puppies for a little walk so they can get a little exercise and hopefully do their duty. Alright, come on guys, let's go for a walk. Cheyenne, let's go. I don't know if Cheyenne's going to want to go.
Okay. Okay, well she's taking the dogs for just a little bit of a walk. I'm gonna get this barbecuer going. And, well, any good barbecuer can improvise. I didn't bring all my stuff out, but I found some cardboard out there in the shed. And I'm pretty confident I can start a fire with this. there's smoke, there's fire.
Yeah, it's smoky in here.
I just want to take a minute to show you. You'll notice that my charcoal is all the way over on the right-hand side of the barbecuer. I do this to be able to cook indirectly. Being that we're cooking steaks tonight, what I'm going to do is I'll put them directly over the charcoal first, just to sear them a little bit. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to back them away and let them cook down off of that direct heat and cook them indirect heat. Okay, I think we're just about ready to go. Yep, that's good and hot.
Ooh, look at that. Looks so pretty. Just sitting here, enjoying a little bit of tea, listening to the cows in the background. Every once in a while I can hear a coyote. I hope it's a coyote.
And gunshots.
And there was a gunshot. Or maybe it was a firework. I think it was a gunshot.
It's getting pretty out here, huh?
It's getting absolutely gorgeous. Alright. I'm going to go get the potatoes. Got the potatoes. Woo, that's a hot fire. Okay. Well, it got really dark outside really fast, and so we weren't able to finish filming everything about cooking the potatoes and the steak, but as you can see, it turned out wonderful, and now we're going to just sit, relax, enjoy our first meal here in our camper on our homestead.
On our property, yep.
Yeah.
Thank you and God bless.
God bless.
Yeah, good trying.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna hold hands on this thing.
She won't hold my hand because
He's sweaty.
it's sweaty.
Oh, I mean, ew, sweaty. Not just a little sweaty. We're talking wet sweaty. You think it was humid here or something?
Okay.